come on to the next question, that is part F of section A. The question we have explained why sociologists might use closed questions in the sociological research. This is basically 10 marks question. So before attempting the question, we need to understand the pattern of the question for 10 marks. Remember, this question is based band 3 responses. Band 3 response that we will use, and what we have to do over here, you will get full marks for well developed explanation and make sure to use maximum sociological terms in your answer. So this is the only criteria that you have to follow. Number one, explain properly. If you have an example, just put it, but make sure to add the relevant examples and try to use the maximum sociological term that you have read in your entire course. So let's begin. Sociologists might use closed question in the sociological research. So what we have to do, we have to start from that what is the use of closed questions, and then we will add our explanation and our knowledge. So let's begin that sociologists use a closed question. Always try to pick your first line from your question. As you can see that I am picking this line. Sociologists use closed questions because they are easier to analyze, and provide quantifiable data allowing comparisons across groups. They are less time consuming. Making it feasible to survey large sample, enhancing generalizability, So positivists favor closed questions. Closed questions. For generating reliable replicable data. And scaled closed questions also measures also measures opinion and attitude systematically. Moreover, respondents may find closed questions simpler, more simpler, and quicker to answer, leading to a higher response rate, However, they may limit the respondents' ability to express delighted perspective or delightful perspective. So what I did, I just starts from the importance of the closed question, and then I have add few of its benefits. So this is how you have to answer for this 10 marks question.